are very, very fortunate in this region of the country, in this area, in this moment now to be here. We, as was said earlier, we have extraordinary research institutions here. We have extraordinary medical assets here. We have extraordinary minds here. And we just are so thankful that you are here contributing to the know-how that will help people in so many different aspects of their lives.
The first successful haploidentical bone marrow transplant for sickle cell disease was performed here at Johns Hopkins in 2007. And this was a 33-year-old woman who was spending 20 days a month in the hospital or in the infusion center for her sickle cell disease. Her mom was a donor.
Living a quality life is what everybody wants, no matter where they're from in the world. And the work that this fund is doing with stem cell research is helping, as you saw, just the wide array of disease states that are being impacted by this research.
Partnerships between academia and among academia, industry, and government, and ensuring that you as young scientists and trainees and faculty feel supported and inspired to continue your work right here in Maryland and to stay here in Maryland, because we'd love for you to stay. The story protects the funding, and the story protects the commitment, and the story protects the interest in what you're doing. I'm going to tell your story just like you told me the story, and then I tell other people the story, and then other people care about it. But I care about it. I'm going to fight for the resources that are outlaid here, and hopefully we can grow them. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you.